Most products you buy in a store are mass manufactured using costly processes such as injection molding. This requires designing and making expensive tools. The more complicated the part, the more expensive the tool. Now that works out fine if you're producing millions of parts, but for production runs in the thousands, it's usually not cost effective. 3D printing or additive manufacturing has made short-run manufacturing of complicated parts a more viable option. Special printers can produce large quantities of parts more quickly and cheaply, and in a wide variety of materials. With traditional manufacturing, we're limited to simpler parts that usually take more than a month to receive. 3D printing, however, makes it possible to design complex parts and receive up to 1,000 of them within only a week. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the most exciting part is how this is pushing the boundaries of design. Features that would be almost impossible to pull off using conventional manufacturing methods are made possible with 3D printing, and some companies are already exploring this through limited production runs of innovative products. One example is the award-winning 3D printed faucets in American Standard's DXV line. These are the first residential faucets produced using 3D printing. Their vibrato faucet is a latticework of narrow, hollow tendrils that converge at the top and produce water seemingly from nowhere. Now, making these waterways structurally sound, lightweight, and hollow would be extremely difficult and expensive using conventional methods. For 3D printing, features like this are a breeze and dramatically decrease tooling costs. 3D printing also makes it possible to simplify otherwise complicated parts. Take a part that might be manufactured in multiple pieces and require fasteners, seals, inserts, and additional assembly steps. With 3D printing, this can be made as a single part that's functional right off the production line. I'm excited by how these new tools will continue to lead to new thinking on the part of designers and engineers. Will it cause companies to rethink their product lines to make them more innovative? I hope so. As a designer or engineer, how can you stretch your thinking to implement these newer technologies? Using these methods, you'll be able to simplify assembly, cut production costs, and make your end product more innovative.